Hi, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the owners of DryTech
DryTech
Exteriors, and we proudly serve as the trusted roof replacement experts in Dayton, Ohio. Understanding the diverse options available for roof replacement in Dayton is crucial for homeowners and businesses alike. It requires discernment to identify the most suitable roofing solutions, ensuring proper installation.
Choosing the right roof replacement company is of paramount importance. In the realm of Dayton's residential and commercial roofing, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The plethora of options can be overwhelming. At DryTech Exteriors, we are committed to guiding you through the selection process, offering only the best appropriate choices tailored to your home and business needs.
When it's time for a roof replacement, DryTech Exteriors has you covered. Assessing your roof's needs is a meticulous process at DryTech Exteriors. Our detailed inspection, initiated upon your call, involves a conversation with a courteous member of our DryTech family. They will gather information, arrange a convenient time, and schedule a complimentary roof inspection by one of our highly educated roofing experts.
Your dedicated account manager will conduct a thorough inspection on site, providing valuable insights into your roof structure and condition. The installation of roofing is a precise undertaking that demands experienced professionals for enduring results. At DryTech Exteriors, we recognize the responsibility involved in ensuring the longevity and performance of your roof.
Incorrect or unprofessional asphalt roofing installations can lead to leaks, voided warranties, property damage, and costly repairs. We emphasize the importance of choosing a trusted roofing company with local, licensed, insured, and experienced professionals adhering to industry best practices. DryTech Exteriors stands out in the roofing industry for several reasons. Our team comprises highly skilled and experienced professionals dedicated to delivering top quality roofing services. We prioritize the use of the best materials and adhere to industry standards to ensure correct installation from the onset. We provide unmatched warranties, offering peace of mind for the protection of your home. Our accolades include being voted Best of Dayton, the Next Door Neighborhood Favorite, and receiving the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. Achieving Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status places DryTech Exteriors in the top 1% of roofers in the whole country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. DryTech Exteriors boasts a record number of 5-star reviews, solidifying our position as the leading roofing company in Dayton, Ohio.
Entrusting your roofing needs to a professional team like ours can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Avoid taking risks with your home and choose DryTech Exteriors for all your roofing replacement needs. Contact our family-owned business today for a complimentary consultation.
And if your roof's a wreck, call DryTech.